Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive off, although I did do the drive a couple of days ago, I must admit. This historic racing spec Triumph TR5 that you can see lurking behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving video, plus we'll also put a bit of, not done by us, but videos of the vehicle on the track and actually racing that we've been allowed to do by the previous owner, which should also appear on our website. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take this race spec, and it is a proper racer, this one, Triumph TR5, for a spin. Now, I don't know how well this video is going to work, because clearly this is a proper race car, so it's very noisy, very rattly. Things like a straight cut gearbox, which make a terrible howling sound, but that's what, you know, race cars are supposed to have, shall we say. So don't expect it to be able to hear a great deal. Yeah, well, we'll give it a go and see what we come up with. But we've just driven it I've just driven it a few miles. It has to be said that it is more set up for the racetrack and that it's very, very low. So probably we will hit a bump on the way back. But it is road legal, and it's a well-known car actually. So, ignition on. Very high performance TR5 straight six engine in it on triple Webers. Not especially tractable because it's got a high lift cam in it and stuff, so idling wise it's not great, but if you know about race cars, that's what they're supposed to be like. It's like dog box. Wipers on. In terms of steering, braking wise, spot on. Speedo doesn't work, but then again it's a race car, so you don't need a speedo for that. Avoid these bumps as much as I can. Video of the engine idling on this race spec TR5. Obviously triple Webers.